First of all, I want to thank everyone for coming today. We know you got a lot of places to be. It's a long show, so we want to get this over with early. But they want me to introduce a lot of the new machines that we're having for 2017 and beyond. We're very excited to do that. Yes, it's true. We have some other announcements later on towards the end, but we're going to save that. We're going to talk a little bit more technical about the machine product launches, etc. So first of all, I want to introduce, we introduced towards the end of last year, it's over on this side of the booth, our new 4-yard wheel loader. It's Deutz powered. It has Dana axles and transmissions in it. It also comes standard with the front auxiliary hydraulics to put a hydraulic coupler package on there, which is not seen very often in the industry. You heard a while ago about our new backhoe loader, the BL70, that's over there in the front also by the wheel loader. That machine is going to be 1.3 front bucket yard capacity with parallel lift arms. It is also powered by a Deutz engine. So we're excited to be, these are the first two introductions for the North American market for us powered by Deutz. They have done an excellent job working with us and finding components and engines that perfectly match up with the products we want to introduce. So we're very excited about that. It also has Rexroth hydraulic components. So we've introduced last year a motor grader. This is the new design, the Dash 8 up there that you see. Cummins powered Tier 4. It is a true 14-foot moldboard machine. It's equipped or optional with the front dozer blade or the rear ripper. The hydraulics are already there, front and rear, for the customers that want to do any attachment installation after order. So the next offering we have to talk about the road machinery is the new compactor, the SR120, that's over kind of behind you guys over by the information booth. It also has a Cummins Tier 4 engine. It will be available with a 2-piece pad foot shell kit. For those of the customers, we'll need a shell kit added to it. It also comes standard with a rear view camera and a heated air suspension seat, which is a little bit different. As you heard John talk about a little bit, for our crane lineup, we have the new 130-ton RT crane. This is the biggest RT crane that we have in our model lineup. We previously had a 40-ton, a 65-ton, and an 85-ton. This particular crane has a 5-piece section boom with a 161-foot of main boom, and with the jib, it'll be approximately 220 total feet of reach. The crane itself assembles and disassembles, and the shipping weight, so it greatly reduces the shipping weight, etc. The control system on it is very operator friendly and also allows you to do all the troubleshooting from the cab. So that's very convenient for operators in the field where they have an issue. They can actually look at the monitor panel, call into their dealer or to SANY, report what the issue is, and we can normally, most of the time, troubleshoot it over the phone to get them up and running. Our excavator line has got the biggest expansion this year. We're introducing many new models. We have currently right behind me the 26 is the newest one at 6,000 pounds. It has a Yanmar engine, fully enclosed cab. Now the great thing about all of our excavators throughout the lineup, we offer 2-way auxiliary hydraulics standard. Now many people do that standard. The larger machines, when you get into 20, 30, and 50-ton machines, we also offer other auxiliary lines for you to do a hydraulic coupler or rotation. So that's pretty nice for our customers, especially if they get a machine and later their job changes or they have new demands, they can install attachments very quickly and easy on there. Also for secondhand machines, it increases the value quite a bit because if the secondhand customer needs to put auxiliary hydraulics on there, it's already done. So the next in our mini excavator lineup is the 50-ton machine. It'll be a tight tail swing machine with the front pivot boom on it. It kind of has all the features and benefits of our larger excavators. And then we have the 60, which is the next size up over here. And it will not be a tight tail swing. It'll be a conventional tail swing machine, but it will have a pivot boom on it. And once again, all the auxiliary hydraulics. And then the SY95. So the SY95 is a little bit over there. It's the big brother to the 75. It bridges that 10-ton market that's very common out there in the industry. So a couple other big announcements that we're going to have. You see if you walk around and look at the excavators and the road machinery and the loader, we're advertising now starting in March 1st, a 5-year, 5,000-hour full factory warranty. That's not powertrain, that's not major components, that's a full factory warranty. We're also doing a 0% financing with our financial partners, a 0% financing for up to 48 months, depending on the customer's credit, of course. So we really believe, combined with our 5-year warranty and our 0% financing for up to 48 months, it is truly the best value proposition in the industry. So we welcome you. If you have any questions, please go around and find any of the SANY personnel wearing the red shirts over by the equipment. They're supposed to be specialists in their area. They can answer any of your technical questions that you may have. Also, please, if you want to stick around, I think at 11:45 we're doing our first excavator demonstration and performance with some very skilled operators. You'll be amazed at what they can do with these hydraulic excavators. And other than that, I turn it over to Mr. John.
Thank you.